Kailan?
Alternate derivatives.
Let's go.
F so,
Dili ko na.
let's go na dayon.
Hey everyone, so it's me Jenifer the Alca, and we will be learning today about the alternative definition of derivative. So, our formula for this one is the f prime, okay, so this is how you read it. F prime of x equals limit f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches to 0. So, why don't we cite an example? What's that example? So, our first example is find the derivative of a function f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x. So, first things first, write down the formula. Kasi napaka-importante niyan. Para hindi ka na hanap-hanap pa ng notes mo if tama ba yung formula na ginamit mo, if tama ba yung pinaglagyan mo ng mga letters or numbers dyan. Yeah. So, first is write down the formula. Tapos, substitute. Ganun lang. So, dito, yung given function natin, itong may mga x. Yup, yan sila. You have to replace it with x plus h, which is ito. Kaya ito naging limit 3 of x plus h squared. Kasi, itong mga x is replace it with x plus h. So, basically, dagdagan lang ng x. I mean, h. Yung x dyan, dagdagan lang natin siya ng x. H. Hala. Nabubulol na ako, guys. So, yeah, pasensya na po. Same thing happened here. And the negative 5. Yeah. Tapos, copy lang natin yung given function. Ito. Next is expand. Expand. So, as we can see here, x plus h squared siya. So, we have to expand that. We have to use the FOIL method. So, in case you don't know, FOIL method stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So x plus h squared, dalawa, obviously, dalawa yan kasi square. So, ito, may dalawa tayo ditong x plus h. First is, identify natin kung saan yung first dito sa dalawang magkaibang, variables. Ito yung first. So, x times x is x squared. Our outer, yung mga nasa outer natin dito is itong mga nasa labasan. And it's x times h. So, naging xh siya, kinombine lang. Yung inner naman is yung mga nasa loob, pinakaloob ng part ng whole. Yan. So, x times h equals to xh. So, same lang yan sila kahit xh pa yan yung unahin mo, basta magkapareho sila. Plus, our last is yung mga last, nasa last ng parenthesis, h times h equals h squared. So, next is combine like terms. Dahil walang kapareho tong x squared, remain lang siya dyan, plus xh plus xh is equals to 2xh. So, dalawa na sila. Plus, wala rin kapareho yung h squared, kaya h squared. So, that is how we got this here. Yung dito naman is, dinistribute natin yung negative 5 dito sa x plus h niya. So, negative 5 plus x is equals to negative 5x. Then, negative 5 times pala, multiplied to positive h is equals to negative 5h. Kasi, negative and positive are not like this. So, it has to be negative. So, yung negative times positive is equals to negative. Tapos, copy pa rin yung given function natin dyan. Next is, simplify natin. Yeah. Distribute natin tong 3 dito sa loob ng parenthesis na ito. So, 3 times x squared is equals to 3x squared plus 3 times 2x is equals to hx. Yan, h. Dito natin yung kinuha kasi. 2xh. So, that's 2xh. So, 3 times 2xh is equals to 6xh plus 3 times h squared is equals to 3h squared. Then, copy the rest of those numbers and letters. So, next is canceling out some of this kasi hindi natin kailangan. So, cancel out yung mga magkapareha, which is 3x squared, negative 3x squared times negative plus positive 3x squared is 0. And the same goes with the negative 5x and the, oh, that's positive. And the positive 5x. So, yung natira na lang is itong 6hx, 3h squared, and 5h. So, next step is itong h, kunin natin. Kunin natin yung h and ilagay sa outer part. Ilabas yung h. So, kaya nandito yung itong 6xh, may h siya, kaya naging 6x na lang siya. Plus, itong 3h squared. So, dalawa yung h dyan. Kunan lang natin ng isa. So, naging 3h na lang siya. Wala na yung squared. Minus 5 kasi meron siyang h. Yung 5h. Over h. So, ganun lang yun. Tanggalin lang yung mga h. Tapos, yung ganito, yung may square, is, syempre, kunan lang ng isa. Kaya, 3h na lang siya. Next is direct substitution. Remember that when directing substitution, hindi na kailangan maglagay nitong limit. So, direct na talaga siya. Direct substitution. So, 6x plus 3h minus 5. So, yung value ng h natin dito is 0. Ito. As h approaches 0. So, 6x plus 3 times 0, that is 0 minus 5. So, this is the final answer, which is 6x plus 5. So before we move on to the second example for further understanding about our topic, why don't we relax a bit and shake your body. So let's have a short energizer.
Chris. Papak doon!
heels, I'm off white. I just closed that deal, so I'm on flights headed to another city in another nation. This is what you get when you got determination. This is how you turn pain into motivation. This is how you flex when you made it from the basement. This for the ones who said I would make it. This for the ones who said I was crazy. Now I can't be touched, can't be around if you're doing too much. Just calm down, cause you're doing too much. When it really boils down, you don't do it enough. So I'm gonna need my space, yeah, I might need a spaceship. I go way too crazy, but you know what to do in the basement. Everybody here, get your back off the wall. Hands in your court, and don't go dropping the ball. Anything you do, you gotta give it your all. And if they call your line, you better answer the call. Go off, 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 go off. Yeah, yeah, that's that way too much. My swag way too much. I got way too much, way too much. Go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off. Yeah, yeah, that's that way too much. My swag way too much. I got way too much, way too. I go off like I'm supposed to. Off, cause I'm chose to. Off, can't come close to. Yeah, 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 yeah. I go off, go off. Yeah, 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 yeah. We show up, we show out. When we go, it's all out. You ain't never seen this before. We can't lose, we can't stop. On our way to the top. Let us in, or we kicking in the door. Everybody singing. Everybody here, get your back off the wall. Hands in your court, and don't go dropping the ball. Anything you do, you gotta give it your all. And if they call your line, you better answer the call. Go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off. Yeah, yeah, that's that way too much. My swag way too much. I got way too much, way too much. Go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off, go off. Yeah, yeah, that's that way too much. My swag way too much. I got way too much, way too.
Moving on to the second example, that is, find the derivative of a function f of x equals 5x minus 4. So, yun. First is write down the formula talaga. So, tapos, remember yung x is, replace natin ng x plus h. So, naging limit 5 of x plus h minus 4. Tapos, copy na rin natin yung, so may minus yan. Then, copy the given function. So, next is distribute. Distribute natin yung 5 dito sa x plus h niya. So, 5 times x equals 5x, and 5 times h is equals 5h. Minus 4 minus 5x plus 4. So, naging positive na siya. Kasi, distribute natin tong negative dito sa given function natin. So, negative 5x is equals to negative 5x. I mean, negative times 5x is equals to negative 5x. Negative times 4, negative times negative 4 is equals to positive 4. So, negative times positive is, negative times negative is positive. So, next is cancel out the, So, dito, yung natira na lang is yung 5h. Cancel yung positive 5x plus negative 5x equals to 0. Then, yung negative 4, positive 4, 0 rin yun. So, yung natira na lang is positive 5h over h. So, our final answer is 5. So, direct substitution na rin yan. Yung value ng h natin is 0. So, 5 times 0 is equals to 0. So, dalawa yung naging reason ng pagiging final answer ng 5. Yung pagka-cancel out ng h at saka yung pagda-direct substitution. So, yun lang. that is all for today, and I hope you learned something from me. So, that's it.